Hello friends, welcome to ADO.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we will learn about data table and how to perform filter and sort using the data table. Using the data adapter, we can fill the data table and we can know that by this time of this course. And while doing so, we can filter the required number of rows. So during the fill itself, we can filter. So that also we know, and we can do where condition based filters. But if we want to filter records based on different criteria, right? If you want to filter records based different criteria, we must hit the database again with a different SQL command. That means you will modify your where condition, or you will use a parameterized query, and you will hit the database again with the modified where condition. So this will cause the round trip to the database. That means you have to hit the database, you have to retrieve the different set of records, which will be the subset which was already retrieved, right? So this round trip can be avoided by retrieving the data in one shot, then performing the filter as well as sorting in the database, the data table level. Data table provides ability to perform find. Find means you can find a specific record. So this will find a single record, and search, this will give infinite one or more records, just like a select statement in SQL language. And you can also perform the sort. So the sort will be performed based on the data available in the data table. This is not the sort that you will use with the ascending or descending option of the SQL query, right? So we will not hit the database when performing this operation. This operation we will call at the data table level. So that way we will avoid the hit to the database. And all these options we are going to see in this sub-series. These functionalities, that means find, search as well as sort, avoid hitting the database to fetch new set of rows based on the filter criteria, right? So here, if we have the data table, we will be having some n number of records, right? Then based on the find, you will pick one record and you will give it to the give it to the any bound control, or you can use the search and filter some set of records, say 3 records, and you can give that. So these functionalities, find, search, sort, avoid hitting the database to fetch new set of rows based on the filter criteria, just like as we explained here. And when you have a specific column, based on those columns you can perform sorting also. So that will also done internally inside the data table. In this sub-series, we will fetch the records one time from the DB and then apply find, search and sort techniques on the already fetched rows. So the rows are fetched already, and the ADO.NET will work on disconnected manner, and in the disconnected data table we will perform all these operations, that means find, search as well as sort. So this avoids database hit, and you can see some of the performance benefits by using the methods exposed by the data table. The methods are find, search as well as sort. That's all here in this sub-series. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. There is no demo in here. Thanks again. Bye.